So at Braeside Bond, we're standing in front of our newly completed racking system, which gives us enough space for about 1,800 barrels and slightly less hogsheads when it's full. We will build on this racking though, so it's modular. We can build it in phases, which we plan to do. So 1,800 is just the start, and as time progresses and the warehouse fills up, we'll double that and triple that, and eventually the majority of the warehouse will be racking. The benefit of racking is accessibility and visibility. It allows us to get to any cask on short notice for any reason, whether it be a repair or for a sample. It allows us to carry that out a lot quicker than it would if it was in palletised form. Also, if customers visiting, we can go see their casks maturing in situ, in the racking, and we can sample it from there, take photos with it from the racking. So it's mostly accessibility and visibility. By the time we closed the doors at Christmas, we had 1,997 casks, and at this point, over the first 2 or 3 months of the year, we've taken in or filled 3,000 more. So we're only getting more efficient. We're only increasing the amount we can fill per week, and it's all getting stored here at Braeside Bond. So we're filling up the palletised zone and we're filling up the racking zone. So if you were looking to move your cask to Braeside Bond and into a racking system, I would get in touch as soon as you can.